How do I restrict WordPress file access to specific users or roles with Prevent Direct Access and its access restriction extension, both WordPress plugins? Set permissions by user, role, folder, or IP directly from your WordPress settings. Step 1. Install PDA, free and gold, on your WordPress site. The access restriction extension requires it as a base. Step 2. Install the access restriction extension. Let's walk through each feature. Individual file access permission. Go to your WordPress media library. Select any protected file and click Configure File Protection. A panel will appear. Go to the File Access Permission tab and choose specific user roles, like subscriber or editor, or pick individual users by name. Save changes, and that's it. Bulk permissions. Need to apply the same rule to multiple files? Select your files using the checkboxes. Then open the Bulk Actions drop-down, select Assign Permission, and apply the access rule in one click. Folder protection. To protect an entire folder, go to PDA Settings and click the Folder Protection tab. Enter the folder path under your Uploads directory. Set the file access permission and click Save. You can also protect folders outside of Uploads right from the WordPress root. Folder restriction via referrer links. You can grant access based on where visitors come from. Go to PDA Settings and click the Folder Protection tab. Under Allow Referrer Links, set specific referrer URLs, and only users arriving from those links will be able to access the protected files in that folder. IP restriction. Go to the IP restriction tab in Prevent Direct Access settings. You have 4 options. To blacklist an IP, block it from accessing your private download links. Enter it under Restrict Access to private download links. To whitelist an IP, allow it access to all private download links. Enter it under Allow Access to private download links. To grant access to all protected files, use Restrict Access to protected links. Save your changes for each one. And if you want to restrict your entire website to specific IPs only, use Restrict Access to the entire website. Subscribe for more WordPress security tutorials.